Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details of the PlayStation 3 error code 8002F1F9. The error reads, "An error occurred during the update operation." As per our research, the error comes when users try to update their console. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but our research suggests that this error mainly occurs when the user's Bluetooth Wi-Fi module has failed. If you are updating your firmware and if PS3 finds any not working components during the hardware checks, then it may show this error. Our first suggestion is to shut down your PSN console and then remove it from the power source. Then wait for around 15 minutes and reconnect to the power source. Then check if the error still comes. In case the error persists, then probably there are non-working components on your console. We suggest you reach out to the PlayStation support and ask for their help. You can also try reinstalling the firmware. But be cautious. Reinstalling the firmware doesn't mean it will 100% fix the issue. It may or may not work. So only do it if you are comfortable reinstalling the firmware. Please also keep in mind this is a little complicated task, and if you fail to do it correctly, you may face further problems. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.